So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will be doing an Cinebench and benchmark test on the Acer Nitro 5. The model is Acer Nitro 5 i5 10th generation and Nividia GTX 1650Ti. So let's get started. Now I have already installed an Cinebench app. Now let me just open. And before starting this video, now let me just show you the temperature of the laptop in the Acer Nitro Sense. And that laptop is connected to the charger, and the temperature is now around 55 degrees. Now let me just turn on the max mode, and it is in high performance mode. Let me just turn on the fan into max mode. Now okay, now the test has been completed. Now you can see the benchmark score is around 2051. I have got a little bit lesser now compared to the fan maximum. Let's check the temperatures. So even the temperature is also test 93 degree here also, and the temperature is constant 91, 92, 93. So in the fan max mode, the temperature is little bit dropped. So now let me just check on the GTFI. So now I have already opened. The GTFI. So let me just show you the settings. So this is a full 1080p max setting, so very high, everything is very high. Now let me just search the benchmark on the GTFI. Oh, I have opened the GTFI again. Now let me just show you the graphic setting. So the graphic is 1080p, the max version, and let me screen resolution is 1080p full screen and 60 Hz, and everything is very high. Now let me just run the benchmark test on here. Let me just run that benchmark test on here again. Let me just click on the yes, and even the temperature is also running over here. So this is the GTFI benchmark test. So this time I'm not recording, screen recording, just showing in a video camera.